In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a deleted list in Clickup, ensuring you can efficiently manage your tasks without any worry of losing important information. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Clickup, it's crucial to know the steps to reverse an accidental deletion. We'll walk through this process together, so let's get started. First things first, head over to the home page within your Clickup workspace. This is the central hub where you can easily access all your tasks, lists, and projects. It's familiar territory and where most of your daily task management magic happens. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the specific list you've been working with. It's essential to make sure you're choosing the right list, especially if you manage multiple projects, to avoid any unnecessary anxiety. Now look for the three dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu, located next to the list name. This is your gateway to various list management options. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will be presented to you. Within this menu, you'll find a range of options, including the one we're interested in today, delete. It's always a good idea to double check before clicking delete to ensure this is what you intend to do, since in most cases deletion is permanent. However, thanks to Clickup's user-friendly design, there's a safety net we'll explore shortly. After you've confirmed your intention, click on delete. You might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure about this action. This step acts as an additional safeguard against accidental deletions. So if you're confident, go ahead and proceed. But what if right after clicking delete you realize you've made a mistake? Don't panic, this is where Clickup's handy undo feature comes into play, offering a sigh of relief to many. Immediately after you've deleted the list, you'll notice an undo option pop up, typically at the bottom of your screen. Clickup keeps this option visible for a short period to give you a chance to reverse a recent action. Simply click on undo, and just like that your list is restored to its previous state, as though the deletion never happened. And there you have it. With these steps you can quickly and efficiently undo a deletion in Clickup, allowing you to keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. It's always reassuring to know that you have room for a quick fix if something goes awry. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that you feel more confident in managing your projects within Clickup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials if you need further tips and tricks to master your project management skills.